This part of the tutorial is going to cover release management within Fusion Lifecycle. We're going to take a look at the workflow transitions and how to move an item from unreleased to a production revision. Then we're going to go in and view the released item and the attached file. The next thing to do is to take this blade guard base and put it into a released production revision. From the Related Changes tab, we see that there's already a change order ready to go and it's bound right to it. So by taking a look at this change order, as we come over here, we see it has an auto number, has a title. Much of this is set up. If you take a look at the affected items, we see that the blade guard base is actually the affected item and it's currently in a working state. Inside of this change order, we're going to do a production release. We're going to move it to revision A. So let's take the steps necessary for that. Now from the Actions pull-down menu, select Workflow Transition. You'll notice that the change order is currently in the open state. So next I'm going to submit it to a working state. With this file in the working state, we can actually still work on it. We could edit the details. We could add other items to it. But in this case, I'm going to go and keep moving it through. So let's go and submit this for review. Click on Submit, and I'll move it to the review state. Now note that the review state actually locks the record down as it's in review. And now from the Actions menu, go back into the Workflow Actions, and let's approve and close out this change order. Now that the change order is approved, you'll notice that the blade guard is now at revision A. In fact, if I click on here, this will take me over to the released and revision A in production of the blade guard base. If I take a look at the attachments, we see that the attachment is here in revision A is actually pinned to version 1. In fact, down here I can go and click here and go and take a look directly at the first version, the initial version of that blade guard base part file. So notice here we have blade guard base, we have version 1.